Here we have honors algebra 2 math question. Okay, let's go over the information. Find the equation of an ellipse whose center is 0, 0, a vertical major axis of length 20 and a minor axis of length 4 times square root of 6. Okay, here we have to find the equation of an ellipse whose center is 0, 0. And one more important information we have in the question, that is the major axis is vertical. So then we'll have a vertical ellipse. So it will be like this. Okay, so let's write the equation of ellipse in standard form. When it is, when the ellipse is vertical. So that is x negative h the whole square over b square positive y negative k the whole square over a square equals to 1. Since the ellipse is vertical, I am writing a square under y negative k the whole square. In case if the ellipse is horizontal, so what I have to do? I have to write this a square under x negative h the whole square. Okay, here h comma k stands for the center of the ellipse. So the center of the ellipse is given in the question itself, that is 0, 0. So that is we have to plug in h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0 into the above standard equation of ellipse. Okay, still we have to find the value of b square and a square. Already we know that the major axis length is given in the question, that is 20. So the formula to find the major axis length is 2a. Usually in ellipse 2a always represents the length of the major axis. The major axis length is already given, that is 20. So 2a equals to 20. So let's solve for a. So I divide both sides by 2. Then 2 will cancel out. I get a equals to 10. Then a square is equal to 100 because I squared both sides. Okay, we know the formula for length of the minor axis, that is 2b. 2b represents the length of the minor axis, but the question says the length of the minor axis is 4 times square root of 6. So 2b equals to 4 times square root of 6. So now we have to find the value of b square. So I divide both sides by 2. So this 2 will cancel. 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 4 twice. So I get b is equal to 2 times square root of 6. So my aim is to get the value of b square. So when I square both sides, b square is equal to 2 times square root of 6 the whole square. So b square equals to, here the two values, the 2 and square root of 6 are multiplied, and 2 is a common exponent. Whenever two values are multiplied and we have a common exponent, the exponent can be distributed to each value and multiply the results. So 2 square times square root of 6 the whole square. So b square equals to 2 square is 4 and the square root and square root cancel out. I get 6. 4 times 6 is 24. So the value of a square is 100 and the value of b square is 24. In ellipse, always the value of a square will be greater than the value of b square. Okay, now let's plug in these values into this formula. So x negative, for h we have 0, so whole square over the value of b square is 24 positive, y negative, the value of k is 0, the whole square over the value of a square is 100 equals to 1. So x negative 0 is just x, so x square over 24 positive, y negative 0 is just y, so we get y square over 100 equals to 1. Okay, I got the equation of the ellipse, which has center 0, 0 and a vertical major axis of length 20 and minor axis length of 4 square root of 6. So the equation of the ellipse is x square over 24 positive y square over 100 equals to 1.